Hello guys, my name is Teddy and I'd like to share my personal experience about mental health, specifically building low self-esteem. I have had depression for a very big part of my life, and this resulted me to having low self-esteem. But it reaches a time in life when you have to say no more, because the struggles are getting harder, and I missed so very many chances because of my low self-esteem. Self-esteem can be boosted in various methods, such as appreciating small victories in life, surrounding yourself with people who try to bring the best out of you, engage and take up new hobbies, and eventually speaking out about the issue greatly helps boost self-esteem. The above steps have greatly boosted my low self-esteem, and now I am courageous to face life alongside its challenges. I would like to share my story so that I can be a source of hope to those who are facing a similar situation that I have faced. Thank you.